Good group.
Old habit. It's a good weapon, the Smith & Wesson 38. It's accurate, it's reliable, a little light. Want to try mine?
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
You know, I thought this was going to be a friendly meeting on neutral ground.
You killed a man. I'm your attorney. Now spread them. Fine, White.
You are embarrassing me. I assumed you were brighter than this. I thought by now you'd be looking for an angle. Some way of handling me in the book, making me sympathetic. Truly disappointing me, Dennis. I'm talking about David Madlock, Kappa International. I'm talking about murder. Now take these cuffs off me.
What do you think you're selling? Mafia hitman? Nobody buys that shit anymore.
Isn't this sinking into your thick cop skull? I'm telling you that I helped to make David Madlock and Kappa International, and I did it by killing people. The ones in the scrapbook. Get it?
Corporations don't have people killed.
Oh. Corporations deal in two things, period. Assets and liabilities. I removed the liabilities, and I provided some of the assets. I was a corporate executive in charge of just those things, believe me. And you were in on it, Dennis. At the very beginning. We both were. I never imagined how irritating those things could be.
Yeah, well, you got about 3 minutes before they go back on. Now start talking.
It's all a question of capital, Dennis. How does an ambitious man get started? Capital. Now, David Madlock is an unusual man. He got unusual financing. You wrote about that particular source of financing in your first book, in fact.
The depository case.
That's right.
You were in on that.
That's right.
Yeah, well, 2 cops died that day. And one of them was a nice old man waiting for his pension.
That is the second time you've embarrassed me. Now try to control yourself, please. I drove. That's all I did. The 3 who were inside died. The one that you stabbed died of peritonitis a week later, okay?
That still leaves you.
Like I said, I drove. You want me, here I am, but I got 12 people who will swear I was in Chicago that day all day.
All right, tell me about the money.
$2.5 million, $1972, tax-free. Seed money. It's the American way, Dennis. Kappa International was formed 6 months later on venture capital. Can't let this one get by you, Dennis. Bestseller.
You say you started off as a shooter for this guy, and then you become a defector.
Defected? He threw me out. I wanted something more than I had. I'm a businessman, an executive. I wanted respect. He offered money. I helped him get started. He offers me a handout.
All right, why don't you testify against him?
Oh, he can buy his way out of anything.
Except for the book.
Exactly. Dennis, together you and I could do such a number on him. I can tie him into all of it. You need me. We need each other. How'd you find out?
She felt this bump. Right here, inside her elbow.
Malignant.
They opened her up, took one look, sewed her back up again. After that, she lost weight, started losing her hair. After a little while, she looked at me, didn't know who I was. Well, all the money went. I just wanted her to stay alive. But she didn't.
After that, you couldn't work.
I should have sold the house, but I couldn't.
It was her house.
That's right, it was her house.
You loved her more than you could ever love anyone in your life.
Just don't talk about her, right?
Hey, Dennis. I understand. She's the clean part of your life. I'm the dirty part. Criminal. But you and I know things other people don't we, Dennis? How it feels to kill a man, for instance. Cop. Killer. Two sides of the same coin. Hmm? We have a natural bond, you and I.
No.
Yes.
No, we don't have anything in common. I don't have anything in common with you.
We'll see. We'll see.